Nauta, your Metro Denver real estate agent, and I am here in Parker at the Inspiration Development, and we are going to check out the Devon Floorplan by Lennar Homes. Lennar has some beautiful homes that are anticipated to close under the $700,000 mark, which is incredible for the beautiful quality, the mountain views, and the 55-plus clubhouse that Inspiration offers. And this is the Devon Floorplan in the Masters Collection by Lennar Homes, and it's a single-family ranch home with a covered back deck, and the front and backyard landscaping is included with this price. And with this home, you are looking at around 1,900 square feet, and it has 2 bedrooms, a study, and 2 bathrooms. And this floor plan has an open floor plan that really brings together the kitchen, the great room, and the nook, and it extends outdoors to the covered deck. And there is upgraded quartz countertops in the kitchen and the master bath. And if you need extra space, there is a 9-foot unfinished basement to add even more square footage. There are also homes that are available for quick move-in, and this specific floor plan is available for a July move-in. So if you are interested in this builder and this floor plan, reach out now and let's start the conversation of building your new home at Inspiration. And if you have any questions, have a development or floor plan that you're interested in seeing, feel free to like, subscribe, and comment. Enjoy the tour.